Darkness falls across the land. The midnight hour's close at hand. Creatures crawl in search of blood to terrorize y'all's neighborhood. And whoever shall be found without the souls for getting down must stand and face the hounds of hell and rot in a corpse's shell. The foulest stenches in the air, the funk of 40,000 years, and grisly growls from every tomb are closing in to seal your doom. And though you fight to stay alive, your body starts to shiver, for no mere mortal can resist the evil of the thriller.